Welcome to J&J's test video of S6TY274 2006 Land Cruiser, 215,000 miles. It just has no brakes. Every time it's running, this beep's going on. It runs fair. I mean, it's not bad. Transfer case, transmission, everything works. Holds oil pressure. They probably cut the cat out. Not really rusty, but it has some rust. Came from Iowa. All the sheet metal's okay. This lid's handle's rusty, and the handle's rusted, so that's the rust. But the bottom lid's not rusty. It's not too bad. It's just kind of dirty inside and gross. If you've been around Land Cruisers, some of these get used as trucks in their second lives. All the seats are torn up, just kind of beat up, torn. Door panels are kind of worn out. But it runs, it drives, high and low transfer case engages. And then a good old 2UZ is just humming along. 215 is nothing for these. Got some blow by. Ooh, look at that dancing. I bet you it's gonna have a high leak down. We'll see, but they still sell. ABS unit might not be any good. I'm gonna test the suspension real quick. Front end's okay. 100 series Land Cruiser. All right, you get to listen to the beep. The tape deck works. The screen works. It never stops beeping. I guess, see, the Navi screen came up, the tape's playing. It's a Christmas song, or Christmas tape. This control panel down here works. And like, if you watch, I gotta like stand on the brake. So there you go. That works. Antenna does not. Alright, so we're in high. Around. It's got a little mist too. It might be. We might park that motor out of. We'll core it. We'll see. Now we're going to neutral. Going to low. Now we're in low. So transfer case works. We're gonna go back to neutral. And you heard it went through 3 gears, so it seems like the transmission's okay. Back into high. Back into drive. We're going to go all the way down to low. We'll go to second, it shifted. We'll go to third. Ooh, there are like hardly any brakes. I think that's why I got tossed out. But everything seems okay. Just doesn't have like, I'm standing on it and there's no pressure. Transmission shifting around. It's in third. I'm gonna put it back into drive. Ooh, I might have broke something. It's got a noise down there. Ooh, I wonder what that is. Check that out. All right, that's probably about it. I'll see what my noise is back here. Then, see, it's not super rusty, but it's rusty. They hide their rust pretty good. All right, that'll do it for now. S6TY274. Thanks for watching.